There's a lion in the jungle with a mighty roar. He shakes his mane and then he roars some more. Roar, roar! That's what he'll say, chasing all the sleepy animals away. Animals, animals, big and small, running, jumping, crawling tall. From the land to the sea to the sky so blue, there's an animal friend for me and you. There's a monkey in the tree who loves to swing. He jumps around and makes the jungle sing. He's having fun, playing with his friends in the morning sun. There's a dolphin in the ocean, swimming fast. She flips and dives and makes a splash. Click, click, she's sleek and smart, gliding through the waves like living art. There's a kangaroo hopping on the ground, with a pouch for her baby bouncing round. Boing, 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 up and away. She loves to leap and play all day. Owls go hoo, snakes go hiss, cows say moo, you don't want to miss. Frogs go ribbit, bears go grr, let's sing it loud wherever we are. There's a penguin waddling in the snow, with tiny feet and a belly low. Flap, 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 he slides on ice. A tuxedo